Hello guys, today we have the smraza PCB kit. I'm just gonna open this up. I just got this in the mail. It's double-sided PCB boards. So I'll show you what these do after I show you everything inside of it. So here are some 90-degree angle header pins. Here are some female header pins. Here are some male header pins. Here is some terminal block connectors that you have to screw a wire into for a connection. Here is two block terminal connectors. Here is the little header pin block connectors. If you're trying to connect two of the header pins together, you would do that. Okay, now I'm going to show you what these are. What these PCBs you see down here can do. Let me just get them all out for you guys to see for yourself. Okay, what you would do is you'd take out different components, like an LED, and you put it in the different holes, and then you bend the wires and solder them in. I really like this design, the double-sided design of these. They're really nice. So these are what I'm going to be soldering most of my projects on. Like if I have to solder some components to a PCB, I'll be using these to solder them to. So I'm probably going to make a video in a couple of days of me soldering some components to these boards. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.